What's going on, guys? So today I finally received my AirPods. I tested them out for about 2-3 months and I decided that I liked them so much. I found these on sale, so I returned my previous one, got these off shoprite.com. It's a website that's delivers groceries, but they actually had AirPods. Got these for 140 bucks. They are amazing. I love them so much. They really make your life easier. I would definitely recommend these. They aren't the best sounding headphones, okay? I talk on my phone a lot. I use FaceTime audio, and this sounds as good as regular headphones. I'm gonna give you some tips I feel like would help anybody who just got their AirPods and they aren't really advanced. So these tips are what I find helpful. Please don't leave a negative comment if you find these tips not helpful. I'm just trying to help out those who do want some help. So if you get these out of the box, once you open the cover and you turn on your iPhone or iPad or whatever you're trying to connect to, it'll come up with this screen right here and it'll have a button here that says connect. You're gonna click on that. Mine's are already connected, so yeah, you can see that. This gives you the individual battery life of each AirPod and then the charging case / holder. There you can see it's at 35% because I haven't charged it yet. So my first tip is going to be to go into settings. You're gonna go to Bluetooth. You're gonna find your AirPods, as you can see right there. So you're gonna click on AirPods. You're gonna click on this I button. And as you can see, you can customize your left and right AirPod. I find this really helpful. You can click on left and you have these options: Siri, play, pause, next track, previous track. So my left AirPod is actually to go back a song, and my right AirPod is to go to the next track. I don't use the Siri function because I have my Apple Watch. So that is my first tip. Definitely customize to whatever you prefer. I hope Apple in the near future will release an update so you can increase and decrease the volume by just using the AirPods itself. So my next tip is, you got your phone, you're listening to music, right? You got this, it's in your pocket. You got this, it's in your pocket. And you're just walking and you want to increase or decrease the volume on your AirPods. Now this tip doesn't apply for everybody because not everybody has an Apple Watch, but if you do have an Apple Watch, what you can do is quickly pull up this menu, which is already on your Apple Watch if you're playing music, and by turning just the digital crown, you can lower the volume, you can higher the volume. So once again, this is only for people who have an Apple Watch. I'm sorry, I just had to throw that out there. So my next tip is, if you are connected to multiple devices, I have my iPhone, I have my MacBook, and I have my iPad. So I have my AirPods connected to all three devices. It's not really the smoothest transition when you're going from AirPods to phone to MacBook. So a quick way I figured out is how to quickly sync your AirPods. You open up your home screen, you swipe up from the bottom, and then you're gonna click this button right here, and this gives you a selection of where you want to play your music. This allows you to transition quickly from one device to another without the AirPods actually connecting properly. Another tip is, when you got your AirPods in your ear and you have a phone call and you want that phone call to be announced on your AirPods, what you're going to do is go to settings, go to phone, which should be down here somewhere, right here, phone. When you see this, announce calls, you're going to click on announce calls and you're going to click on headphones in car, always, yada yada. So if you have a car that's synced with Bluetooth, it can announce it in both. I'm just going to use my headphones. So if you're an Apple guy like me and you have multiple Apple devices, you want to check their battery on your AirPods without having to open up the AirPod case, what you can do is go ahead and scroll down from your phone, and here goes your batteries right here, and you can check the percentages on your Apple devices. And if you don't have this battery icon already listed, what you're going to do is go all the way down. You're going to click on edit. You're going to have the batteries widget down here. You're just going to click the plus button and it will move up here, but I already have it selected, so that's that. That's a quick way to check your battery. Another cool thing you could do is, when you go to settings and you go to Bluetooth, you see your AirPods right there, click on the I forgot to mention, and you can also name your AirPods to whatever you'd like. Click done, and there you go. those are pretty much my most helpful tips. I want to give a quick review of the AirPods. So I find these to be extremely useful. I'm not going to say that they're the best sounding, because honestly, these compared to the wired ones, I can't tell a difference between sound. So these aren't the best sounding headphones, but they are the most useful. It's extremely convenient not having that stupid wire in your way. Just having the ability to open these up, insert them into your ear, and it automatically connects, usually very smoothly. I haven't had any issues. If you want to charge the case, you charge this. It'll charge your AirPods and the case as well. Yeah, I just find it very useful. I'm on the phone a lot. This makes my day-to-day life so much easier. These are worth it if they're under 150 bucks, and if you have the money, definitely get you a pair of these. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you do, please like it. I don't mean to sound like I'm begging, but I low-key am begging, so go ahead and give this video a like. Also, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Peace.